Hello, Joel Hicks, Tractor Product Line Manager for Kioti Tractor. So here we want to talk about our new CS2530 hydrostat cab. So this is a brand new model. This will be the industry's first subcompact cab outfitted with heat and air conditioning directly from the factory. So this is going to be a big deal, a big game changer in the market. We're super excited about it. So taking a look at this model, we'll kind of start out here from the front, go towards the rear. So we've got our SL2530 quick disconnect loader outfitted with a quick attach bucket, nice grill guard. You can also put a mesh screen in the grill guard to have a little bit more protection there on the front end. Looking at the tractor itself, again, the first factory installed HVAC cab. So this cab is really nice. It has a lot of room in it for small and large operators. The controls are laid out intuitively and ergonomically so that people kind of feel natural about how they're trying to operate the machine. It has excellent visibility, wide opening doors, nice suspension seat, 2-range hydrostat, comes outfitted from the factory with a joystick valve. Here on this machine, it's outfitted also with a mid-mount mower. So this is a drive-over deck. So simply to install or remove the deck, you just disconnect your linkages and then you put the machine in 4-wheel drive and you either back off of it or you drive over it. So it makes it very easy to install. You don't have to slide the loader underneath it. And then also this machine will be outfitted or can be outfitted with a backhoe on the factory cab. So when you add the backhoe to it, it'll be a 4-point backhoe. You can add a swivel seat, so the swivel seat will swivel inside the cab. You simply take the rear glass off, remove the rear screen, get on the backhoe, and you can perform your backhoe operations, all outfitted on a small subcompact chassis with a factory installed cab with heat and air conditioning. So we are super excited to have this. This is something that dealers have been asking for, and that we feel like a lot of our customers will be excited to see hit the market. And then one additional great feature of this machine is that the overall height is just slightly under 83 inches, so it will fit in that low 84-inch roll-up door to be able to get it into a garage or a small storage shed, especially in those northern climates where it's super cold and you want to outfit it with a snowblower or some sort of snow removal equipment. You know, now you can store the machine inside, you can hop in it, it's already warm, and then when you get outside, you can stay warm so that you can do all your chores, whether it's loader, mower, backhoe, or anything else that you can dream of. So again, CS2530, first factory installed HVAC cab in the industry. Also, we'd like to introduce our KIOTI Connect, which is our telematics system. So an app you can download to your phone, your smartphone. You can get critical tractor information as far as diagnostic codes, consumable levels like fuel alerts, those type things. Tell you when maintenance required, all sorts of little things going on there. KIOTI Connect. And to learn more about this tractor, any of the KIOTI products, or the KIOTI Connect TMS system, just visit our website at www.kioti.com.